Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitwarden for safer password storage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Bitwarden for safer password storage, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.bitwarden.com and press enter. Once the Bitwarden homepage loads, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your master password. After filling in both fields, review your information for accuracy. If desired, you can check the Remember Me box for easier access in the future. Next, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Bitwarden vault. In your vault, you'll find all your stored passwords and other sensitive information. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. Additionally, double-check that you are using the correct email and password. For further assistance, you can click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password and regain access. Always remember to log out of Bitwarden when using shared or public devices. This ensures your sensitive information remains secure. You're now ready to manage your passwords safely using Bitwarden. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.